Whilst Croatia may be famous for its natural beauty, Croatian wines are also starting to take center stage. There are three main wine regions in Croatia: Istria, Slavonia and Dalmatia. They all differ in the type of grapes they grow, the climate, picking time and most importantly, taste. Today we are going to explore Dalmatian wineries and the impressive wines they produce. Multi-award-winning Winery Stina, located in Bordeaux on the island of Brač, offers a fantastic selection of indigenous and non-indigenous Croatian wines that can be tasted with a view.
Moje ime je Ivo Kraljević, inače nalazimo se u Prvoj dalmatinskoj vinarskoj zadruzi. Osnovano je davne 1900. godine. Vinarija se građena na davnih dana kao prva dalmatinska zadruga i nekada je proizvodila jako velike količine vina. Bazirani smo na naše autohtone sorte, to bi bili od bijelih pošip i ugava. Od crvenog vina imamo plac, mali i tribidrag kao najtipičnije dalmatinske sorte. Naravno, svo grožđe dolazi sa otoka, vina su postala jako popularna kako u Hrvatskoj tako i u inozemstvu. Već smo dobili par medalja kao najbolje hrvatsko bijelo vino za pošip prije par godina. Plac Mali majstor kao selekcija placa nam je osvojio također zlatnu medalju u Francuskoj, u Bordeaux, glavnoj regiji crvenih vina u Europi. Tako da bi bilo lijepo da dođete, posjetite nas i kušate nešto od toga što imamo.
Lipanovich Winery on the island of Vis is certainly worth a visit. This unique winery is the only one in the world that has a cellar located inside of a military tunnel. Here you're also able to taste their great selection of wines. The Lipanovich family's wine tradition dates back 150 years, and today the winery produces and promotes wines that are an authentic reflection of the soil and climate of their origin. White varieties have found their home on the island of Korčula. If you find yourself there, Bira Winery is another standout winery offering wine tastings and an insight into how Croatian wine production is unique.
Sad ste u vinariji obitelji Frano Milina Bire, ja sam šnja Milina Bire, znači supruga vlasnika i proizvođača. Znači bavimo se proizvodnjom i prodajom vina, znači obitelj već prabaka i pradjeda od moga supruga su već se bavili poljoprivrednom proizvodnjom grožđa, ovo je bio samo nekakav nastavak. Grk je naša najstarija hrvatska autohtona sorta i raste samo na pijescima Lombarde. Prvo, ona nije samo oprašivač, vrlo je rijetka, nego mora imati neko ko će je oprašiti da bi uopće bilo grožđa. U našem slučaju je to plavac mali, ima nas 10 proizvođača, znači i svi proizvodimo grk. Grk smo i zaštitili zbog toga što je sad u zadnje vrijeme velika potražnja za grkom i onda smo mi radili zaštitu izvornosti, tako da smo već dobili certifikat na nivou Hrvatske, sad idemo i na nivou Evropske unije za zaštitu, tako da se zna da je grk originalno iz našeg mjesta.
Agrotourism Kaštelanac on the island of Šolta is very well known for its production of red wines. Dobrich is their ancient red wine variety, which is an authentic variety that grows on the island of Šolta. It is definitely one of the most significant indigenous red wines of Dalmatia. Here they also offer wine and olive oil tastings at a small family-owned restaurant. Last but not least is Winery Tomic, located in Jelsa on the island of Hvar. This newly built winery produces red, white and rosé wines, along with Prošek, the original Dalmatian dessert wine that is made from selected and dried grapes of the highest quality. The wine tasting experience here is definitely breathtaking, thanks to the impressive wines and the ambient cellar door, which is carved into stone, giving it a similar appearance to the cellars beneath Diocletian's palace in Split. Even though we've covered just a few, there are many more fantastic wineries located throughout Dalmatian islands and along the coast. No matter which one you end up in, you won't be disappointed. Cheers!